They do. They always do.
$89 for one.
This is what we get for flying Spirit.
I know. This is what I was saying. I was like, bro.
Just walk through. Walk through. Fucking hell. Thank you.
Through 29. Next stop, gates 1 through 29.
This bag is heavy.
We really have enjoyed our Orlando experience so far. We better warn the youngsters.
They're going out of Fort Lauderdale, so it'll be easier for them.
Worse. No, it can't be.
Luckily, it's all like in one spot, so you can't really mess it up at Fort Lauderdale.
If you're flying on silver to the Bahamas, they can always mess it up.
Nah, you only have to walk through 2 concourses on the A side. So like all the way down there. Or one
All the way to the end.
Please stand clear of door.
I don't want you to.
Please exit gate 1 through 29. Please watch your step.
Open the day before yesterday, closed yesterday. I can't tell.
Good afternoon, folks. 45722 service to Pittsburgh. Be pushing here shortly. Just getting the last few bags and passengers. And once we get going, looking at 2 hours and 1 minute flight time, flying at 38,000 feet. We do expect some light to retirements along the route. We'll try to keep the seatbelt sign off as much as we can. Latest weather information, Pittsburgh right now.
Yeah, I'll scoot over. Here's my sign.
Eat that. It'll be big enough. Trust me.
You can transfer your eyes, you can transfer your ass.
facile. Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
Alright guys, that will do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. This was a interesting flight to say the least. Spirit Airlines is definitely okay in my book. It's okay in my book. But anyways, the fun score is up on the screen. 11 out of 25. Not the best rating, not the worst rating. But overall, it was a decent flight. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next week for another video. Until then, this is FunTube Aviation, signing off.